Hey, hey, hey! Happy New Year, everyone! So, welcome for the new day in our life, which is we are now in 2026. Okay, so hopefully that we are enjoying for the last years and whatever difficulties, issues in our life that try to move on and looking forward for our new year. So today is the first day of new year 2026. Hopefully that we are going forward and whatever you are wishing for this year, and it will be progressing and fulfillment with God's grace. All right, guys. So yesterday, I just only gathering with my family, with my kids, my daughter and my son in Abu Dhabi, where I am working right now. So hopefully that everything is all okay and looking forward for financial uh, freedom and also good work and all colleagues that you are working right now, and even me that's it's supporting, and even the leaders, the project, etc., and you can gain more knowledge and more support and coordinations in each other. So looking forward for good health as well for in this year and throughout all the families and also your family, guys. And keep safe as always and enjoy your holiday. Today it's holiday, January 1st, and keep safe. Bye bye.